Meaning of H-bomb.
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 H-bomb. The H-bomb, or hydrogen bomb, is a type of nuclear weapon that uses fusion to release massive amounts of energy. The bomb works by fusing hydrogen atoms together to create helium atoms, which releases a tremendous amount of energy in the form of heat and radiation. The resulting explosion can be many times more powerful than an atomic bomb, which uses fission to split heavier atoms like uranium or plutonium. The development and testing of the H-bomb has been a major focus of nuclear weapons research and development for decades, due to its potential for devastating destruction.